guys, here I am at Target, and I thought I'd take a quick look at their bags to see if they bought anything out. Let's take a look, guys. So here, this is universal threads. It's like a hand wallet, guys. So this is new. I don't think I've seen this before. Then we have the bigger ones here, the hand wallets, and they have them in this kind. But this is a new day, and that is $16.99. So then this is the waist bag, and the waist bag is $19.99. The wristlets. Okay, let's see what else they have, guys. So then they have these bags up here, but I can't reach them. Then they have these. It's like little backpacks. And who makes this? This is a new day, and that is $19.99. And they have this kind right here for the same price. And they have these bags right here. Let's see how much this bag is. So this is a new day, and it's $27.99. It's a pretty big bag, guys. And it comes in this color, and it comes in this pink. Then they have this big bag over here. Look at the size of this one, guys. That one is $39.99, and it's universal threads. See that? It's huge. So they have this style down here. This bag right here is $39.99 for that one. And here's the smaller bag for $27.99. And they have those up there. Those up there are $34.99, and these are the ones that go around the waist. These are $19.99. Now we come over here, guys. Let's see these bags over here. So this one right here is universal threads, and that one is $27.99. Then you have this huge one. Isn't that gorgeous? $39.99, guys. Then you have that kind over there. Oh my God, isn't that beautiful? I love that. That's $39.99. And then look at this one, $36.99. Then they have this backpack. Guys, let me see. Let's see a price. Okay. $20. Then they have this bag right here for $36.99, and there's that bag again. And they have these. This is the backpack. It's a little one, $27.99. And they have this bag here for $29.99. And look at this one. I like that. Isn't that different? Okay, $36.99, and here's that same bag in black. And that one was $39.99. I like how that looks. These bags, universal threads, that's $29.99. I like the waist bag. It's really nice. And this is a really pretty color too. That one is $19.99. And I think I might have showed this wallet once before. Isn't that gorgeous? $19.99. So let me go around here. So here they have this pink bag, guys, right here. And it is a new day, $32.99. Then they have this hand one for $34.99. And they have this olive one, guys. Look at this. This is so huge. Look at the compartments. It has like 3 compartments. I can't get it open. But look at this, guys. This is nice. A nice travel bag. So this one is $39.99 for that bag. And they have this one right here. It's really pretty. $27.99. And they have this handbag over here. It's universal threads. Let me show you. Isn't that pretty? So that one is $39.99. Then they have this pink one. Well, pinkish. It has like a little pink tint to it. It comes with the tassel. And that one is $36.99. And here's an olive green one. That one is $29.99. I'm loving these over here. Here's a little tiny black backpack. and that is universal threads, $27.99. I like that. And this is the bigger one for $34.99. And again, this is the olive green one. Oh, here's a yellow one, guys. Look at this one. So this bag right here is $27.99. So I think I might have showed you these bags over here, but if I didn't, this one right here is a new day, and that's $39.99. This huge one right here is universal threads, and that's $39.99, guys. And they have this one here, and they have this little one. This little one here is $34.99. And this one here, let's see. Oh, here's the tag. This one is a new day for $39.99. That's a huge bag, guys. This one over here is $39.99, and this black one is $44.99. Okay. Then you have this bag here for $29.99. And these are the bag, guys. Okay, so if we come over here, these are more purses. Those are more backpacks and travel bags, I think. This one is a new day for $24.99, and that one is sort of round, and it opens all the way from one end to the other. Then they have this nice green one back here, and that one is, here it is in gray, $24.99. So then they have that style, and they have the pink. And they have this beige one over here. It comes in colors, $29.99. It comes in that coral color back here. This cream, the gray, the black. And here's a beige color. And there it is. And these shoulder bags, $36.99. Then you have that big one over there. Here it is in the olive color. And here's the backpack, guys. Let's see how much this backpack is. Universal threads, and that one is $29.99. Okay, and then this one, I don't think I saw this one. Okay, it was hiding behind that one. Okay. This one is $29.99. It's so different, isn't it, guys? Look at it. It is so nice. Then over here you have some umbrellas, and you also have some more little bags over here, like this one over here is $24.99. Here you have this one over here, and that one is $24.99, and then that green one is $24.99. Then you have your belts. These are all universal threads. So guys, I'm loving that bag down there. So guys, thank you for taking a quick look with me in Target to see their bags, and I'll see you guys in the next video.